BioToxin Binder, our recommended starter binder. It aids the body's natural ability to detoxify, containing nutrients to support the gut microbiome, immunity, digestive function, and sulfur metabolism. BioToxin Binder contains bioactive carbon, our proprietary blend of soil-derived fulvic acids that act as binders, drivers, and protectors that support the body at the cellular level. With short, medium, and long-chain carbons that work within the gut and travel systemically, which is different from traditional binders like activated charcoal and bentonite clay. Some other key ingredients are glucoraphanin from broccoli sprout extract. Your body converts this compound into sulforaphane, which helps protect your cells against inflammation and acts as an antioxidant that cancels out free radicals. Molybdenum, which helps with the breakdown of sulfur compounds that many people are sensitive to. Yucca root is a source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant. It also contains iron to help carry oxygen directly to the cells. The standard dosing of BioToxin Binder is 2 capsules twice daily.